Hi, I'm Joanna, and today I'm going to be reviewing the CFL lights that were sent to me. These are a 2700K light, which is a soft white, and they are a 13-watt light bulb. So I'm going to try this out in my room and let you know how it goes. This pack comes with 4 bulbs, and they're a T2 spiral shape. Right away, I like that they're compact but still provide the same brightness as a 60-watt incandescent bulb. They also claim to be flicker-free and instant on. Installation is simple. Just screw it into any E26 medium base socket. I'm testing this in my ceiling fan, but you can use these in lamps, wall scones, and kitchen lighting. The 2700K soft white light is really nice. It's warm without being too yellow and would work well in living rooms, bedrooms, or even offices. One of the things I really like about these is that they're energy efficient. They only use 13 watts but give off the same brightness as a traditional 60-watt bulb. That means you're saving energy without sacrificing light output, which is a win. They're also supposed to last up to 10,000 hours, which is great because I don't love changing bulbs all the time, and neither does my husband. The bulbs are supposed to be flicker-free, and so far they are, so I'm not getting that annoying flashing when they're on, which is something I really appreciate. Overall, these CFL light bulbs provide a warm, comfortable lighting while being energy efficient and long-lasting. So, if you're looking for an alternative to an incandescent light bulbs, these are a solid option. I definitely recommend them.